Hi everyone. It's been a while since I've been doing anything here, but today I'd like to share a video with you on a new folio I've created. It's a steampunk. I'm just trying to get this all into there. I think that's pretty good. It's a steampunk folio. And I'll go through this one and show you what it is like, and then I'll make one so you can see how I made it. So I haven't put them here yet, but I have little paper fasteners that I'm going to put here, and then I'll just put string around to hold this down. It's pretty good, but it needs something. So you open this up. And this one has a pocket and a couple of things in the pocket. And then you open the top one up, and that has an envelope. And I have used Velcro dots on that. I don't know if you've seen them, but they are the greatest things since sliced bread. They're just so handy and convenient, and they work a treat. So that opens up, and then there's this piece in here. And I left one side open so it can be used as a pocket. You don't have to do that. But that side I've left open. I've glued that on there to give it a bit different look. You can put anything you want there. Then these two side pieces open up. I'm just trying to get this so you can see it. And there's this flap, and that opens. And let me move this up. And there's a pocket here with a couple things in it. This piece opens up and has two places. You can write on all of these, by the way. And there's a ticket. And then this piece opens up. And I'm just trying to see where to get it. And this one has a waterfall, which is, and each of the waterfalls have a back on them, so you can write on those or put pictures. And then this piece has a couple of pockets. This one has this large one in it and this smaller piece. And then the front one has this piece in it. See, I've wrecked that. And then this piece and the suitcase. So that's what's in here. And now I'm going to make one so you can see how I've made it. So I'm going to set that aside, and we're going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do are these top and bottom pieces on this piece here. So I just have to get that off. This one I have not put double-sided tape on some of these. I prefer to use glue for stuff like this because then I have much better control over what's happening. And I love glitter glue. So this piece gets put on here just like that. So it's inside, it's not on the outside. And then, am I getting this? It's hard for me to see. Okay, so I've used double-sided tape on the smaller pieces. I don't mind using it on smaller pieces, but on the larger pieces I find I'm better off using glue because I can always change it, move it around. Okay, so this piece goes here. I was going to cut the bottom off of this, and I didn't. But anyway, and then this goes in here. And I put this ticket in here as well. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it around to do the top. So first we're going to do this piece. I had to clean my glue thing the other day because it was really sticking. I couldn't get glue out. Okay, so this one goes like that. And again, it's on the inside. And then this piece, I'm going to use glue on it too. I hope you're getting to see this. I had a trouble with my camera. I'm not a camera person, can't you tell? Okay, so this one goes like this. And then this piece goes here like this. I hope you're getting warmer weather where you are than we are. We have had a cold spell. That's why I don't like the tape. Because once you put it down there, it's down. I'm just going to stick this on. I don't think it matters which way it goes. There. Oh, I've got these little Velcro fasteners so you can see them. So one side sticks. There's a sticky side, so you put the sticky side on the place, and then the other ones have a thing that grips onto the Velcro like that. So I stick it on there, and then I close it and just really rub hard, and there you go. It's just the most awesome thing, I think. So now I'm going to put this piece aside, and I'm going to work on this one. This will go in here once it's all made up. So the first part I'm going to do is this one. And again, the bigger piece I haven't put tape on. So I'm just putting glue on it now. The only thing I don't like about the glue is it takes a little bit longer. However, so this goes like that. And then this one I have put tape on. we've had a real cold snap where I live. And, okay, so that goes there. And then these are the pieces of ephemera. This one goes in here. And then this one goes in with it. And then this one goes here. And then this one. And then the suitcase. So that's all done now. So now the next thing I'm going to do is this piece, which will go here. And this gets this put on it. Let's see here. Okay, I think I gotta go this way. Yeah. Okay. So I have put tape on this one. And this, you can tell, is, wait a minute. There we go. Is smaller than the back. And then this piece goes in here. And I put this ticket in there as well. And then this piece goes on here like that. So I will put the glue on that. Oh, don't tell me my glue is gonna act up. Let me get my pin and see if I can get it working. I don't know if any of you use this glitter glue, but I keep a pin in mine. You can see. Okay. So let's see if I can get this now. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, so this goes here like that. Perfect. And then the next, and that I'll open, the next piece is this one, and it goes here. And I have put the pieces for the waterfall all on except that one. And the reason for that is because I didn't want to have you having to watch me do this for 5 times. I mean, it's ridiculous. So I'm just going to put this one on here. So I will try and remember to get this up where you can see. And I have marked where I want this. So I want it right there. And I try to line them up perfect. So I try to line them up right next to one another like that. This one I got a little bit off, but that's okay. And then this piece goes on the back. And each of them has a piece on the back. So just let me get this tape off of here. If you hear a noise in the background, it's because my husband is out here bopping around. Okay. That looks about right. All right, so those are done. Then what I do with mine is I take a couple of big paper clips and I hold these things down for quite a little while to let them get flattened. Now this piece goes on here, so I will put the glue on that. Okay. There we go. That's pretty good. And I want to make sure it closes, which it does, and this one closes, which it does. And then the only thing left to do is to put this in here. So I'm going to glue that, and we're going to put it in, and then we're done, except for the little paper buttons, which I have to cut out, and I haven't done that. Okay. So this wants to be right like that. So then I'll just open it up. There. Now I will leave a link in my, so then this closes like this. Oh, I forgot. I have this to put on. Well, I'll do that right now. I did this one, but I didn't do this one so you could see that happening. So I'll do that right now. Duh. Okay, so this goes on kind of like, that's crooked. That's why I like glue. There we go. There. So then those close. And I put that one too close. I'll have to fix it. This one's okay. Anyway, you saw the other one. It was good. So I'll have to fix this one. I'll just get this back again and you can see when it's done properly. I'll have to check what I did to that. But anyway, there's the finished product, except for the little buttons. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will put a link in the description to the kit in my shop. And I hope you get one and enjoy making it. Thanks for watching.